What's up, you guys? Skinny Boy Randy, and there you have it. You see all this chaos? I started everything over, you guys. Yeah, I really had to start pretty much everything over. Here are our dead sunsets. No breakthrough. They've just been planted, not even watered, but the soil is moist. Yep. There's our only survivor from the Holocaust that I did. So we're gonna have our mortgage lifters, our Naranjillo orange. We're gonna have our dwarf Tamarillo. We're gonna have our Aunt Rubies. We're gonna have our dead sunset. We're gonna have our sweet peppers, our long peppers, our bell peppers. You've seen all this stuff before, you guys. Yeah, and some of that stuff over there survived. I'm not gonna mess with that. But everything is labeled and done. There's some other stuff down here I have to do. I'm off tomorrow. I'm running off of no sleep. So please forgive me for the video. Thank you again for 1,000 subscribers.